How can I get the arguments I sent to ThreadPoolExecutor when iterating through future results? I use a ThreadPoolExecutor to quickly check a list of proxies to see which ones are dead or alive. My goal is to get the argument, the proxy, I pass to the executor when iterating through the results to know which exact proxies are dead or alive, so I could make a dictionary that might look like this. IP1, column false, IP2, column true, IP3, column true. One method I can think of is returning the proxy I sent on top of returning true, false. But is there a better way to do it externally so the function doesn't have to return more than just a bool?
While submitting the task, you could create a mapping from future to its proxy.
You have appended to futures in the same order that you read from proxies, so they are in the same order, so you can just zip them up.